She's a little too loud, but that's why we love her. She's not like other girls, she could've conquered the world until you broke her down. Are you happy now that she's on the ground? And do you realize the words you say make bruises that are hurting now? That you brought her down, and she's thinking that she won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with her. Are you happy now? He likes science, that's sport. He knew what he's good for. He's not like you. You don't like that. 15 years down the road, he could be everything you want, but right now you're breaking him down. Are you happy now that he's on the ground? And do you realize the words you say make bruises that you're hurting now? That you brought him down, and he's thinking that he won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with him. Are you happy now? I heard that it was down to you. Is that why you do what you do?